Hi everybody, I'm Ashley and welcome to the Paper Suite. I'm in my studio today and I have a tutorial to share with you on a way you can use the Huggables Bunny and Chick collection. So I have here are some of the projects I'm going to be sharing with you. This is a little Easter bunny here, and this is the Huggables Chick. Alright, so you're saying, like, what's so different about this? Well, I'm going to be showing you how to make them little boxes you can add little treats to. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit first how the finished products look here. You can see I have the little Easter bunny here and the chick. There's a little chick. I really like the chick. And there they are together with the Ghirardelli chocolate squares. I kind of made this project to fit the Ghirardelli chocolate squares, but you totally can use other small treats as well. Even gift cards will go in the little box behind it as well. So here's a little bit of a close-up of how the box looks. And as you can see here, I have made a decorative edge on that side of the box, and I'll show how I did that. On the chick favor, I don't have any decorative edge, so I wanted just to show you how you can do that. So again, this one has just the straight edge, and then the bunny box here has the decorative edge right there, so you can see, right? So let's make these. All right. So as you can see, here's my bunny and chick here. So I'm just going to just put them a little bit out of the way so I can work. The first thing I want to make sure that I talk about first is the tag sale huggable die. This is going to be the base that you will need. It's sold separately. I'm going to be using the stamp set here, which is Huggables Bunny and Chick. Alright, and so for the sake of time, we're going to start with this one first. And I already have a piece of cardstock cut. Okay. As you can see here, my cardstock is 3 1/4 inches wide, and then 3 7/5 inches this way. Okay. All right. So you're gonna need to take your score pal. I have a small score buddy here so you can see and follow along. So here is 3.25, and I'm just going to do a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch there. So 2 1/4 inch. Now I take it to the 3.75 side, and I'm going to do a 1/4 inch here. That's a 1/2 inch. This is a 1/4 inch. So a 1/4 inch on this side and another 1/4 inch. I flip it so I can make sure I'm doing the right 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch and a 1/4 inch. Okay. This is how it's going to be assembled. All right. You have these two corners here. You're going to have to cut these out. All right, now we're ready to assemble, so I'm just going to fold and fold just to get my score lines ready. So this is how the box will be assembled, like so. So I'm going to put score tape here, here, and here. Okay? Here, here, and here. Take all this off. And I will push this part together here. push this part together here. Take my little chick. Take my box and adhere it right here. And just use any kind of tool to get that in there to push that down. Take my little Ghirardelli milk chocolate bar and slide it in there. You can stamp something here if you want to or not, but it's pretty much done. I'm going to show you one more, and that's how to make this one here. Okay. So this paper here, this box is going to be a little bit deeper. It's 1 inch depth. So you have 4.75 on this side and then 6.75 inches on this side. So on the 4.75 inch side, we only need to do 1 inch. We're going to do 1 whole inch. And then we're going to do 1 inch twice. On the second part, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 1 inch, 1 inch. We're going to flip it over, 1 inch, and 1 inch. And we're done with our scoring. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the square section out here. So now you're left with this. So what about this little unique part here? Well, I have the mix-up dies here, and they come with these little decorative edges. So I thought you can use any of these here, die cut, to make them a little edge. So I use that one for this one. You can also use this one, or you can use this one. So this time I'm going to use this one. When I come back, I cut it, I get this little piece left over, remove the die, and now I have this decorative edge. Alright, so now as you can see, if I started building my box, like so, this is how you assemble it. So I'm going to put the score tape here and here. So now we have all the score tape removed. We're just going to start here. I'm just pinning up and pinning again. And I'm just going to start pushing this together. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And there's my little box. This one's a little bit deeper, so I can get my finger in there and smush it in. As you can see there, it's a little bit bigger, and I have a little bit of more of a box. And it has this great decorative edge here, and it's perfect just to add 3. Let's see if we can fit one more. 4 Ghirardelli bars in there. Okay, so you can always add something extra here if you wanted to, or leave it blank, but those are just the options that you can have. Just a couple of ways where you can create your own little boxes, so you can still include this part on the front, but then keep a treat in the back. Just another way to use the Huggables. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial on how to make these cute little boxes. I can't wait to make them for all sorts of different projects for Lauren's little class and her little friends and things like that. I just really like the way that you can still add whatever you want to hold the bunny, hold the bunny to hold, or you can add an egg here for the chick to hold, or whatever it is. I mean, it's great if you want to put the treat on the front, but it's also great to still have that fun element and then a surprise on the back. So I always like to find ways to add little treat boxes, and this is one way to do it. And this little mix-ups, the decorative edge, is really super fun. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I hope you can create some Huggables bunny and chicks for upcoming spring and Easter holiday season. Thanks so much for watching today's video, a showcase on Huggables Bunny and Chick stamp set and die collection. I'm Ashley Newell, and I hope you have a great weekend and you have a lot of creativity in your heart to share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.